Hello, traders. My name is Tinku, and I am commencing my YouTube channel on the YouTube platform today. And I would be sharing my all the expertise which I have gained through in this industry. So before I do that, let me introduce myself. Myself is Tinku. Professionally, I work in one of the biggest multinational company in India at a very higher level. But due to compliance, I cannot disclose my actual identity. Therefore, for the trading world, I would be Tinku, and Novice Stoploss is my channel's name. Uh, I thought a lot before deciding the channel's name, but I think, in this industry, people are learning and making money, but the special attention needs to be given to the novice trader, especially the traders who doesn't have any mentor, who doesn't have any money to learn, who doesn't exactly know, what they need to do. So that's my whole intention to develop this channel on the YouTube platform. And there's a reason why I'm doing this because you might be thinking that, I work for a good company, earn good income. Why do I get into this trading? So, this COVID-19 has been a biggest catastrophe to the world. However, uh, as a human being, we have been taught to look into the positive side of the, thing. And that's how you grow in the world. That's how you grow in your life. So I had a time during this COVID and I explored, I got a chance to explore this trading world. And it's been almost a year now. I've explored and I've learned a lot of things, I've gone through that curve, that learning curve, I would say, has been very roller coaster. But yes, I've reached a stage where my life has been streamlined because of this trading. That's all. And let's begin exactly with the purpose of launching this channel. Like I said, my special target audience are the novice trader, uh, the new trader who landed into this trading world thinking that it's very lucrative. Yes, it's very lucrative, but it's very dangerous as well. Again, you need to know how to master this trading. Again, it take years to master this trading. Few people take couple of years, few people take, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, depending on the capabilities and the skill set. I had an advantage that, I belong to a professional world. So for any issues, for any, a thing which bothers you, you especially design a mitigation plan. And that's what I have designed in last 1 year. And eventually it has worked out very well for me. So just thought of introducing this channel and, passing my knowledge to all the novice traders. So I know, in the market there are a lot of courses available for the traders where they take the courses and learn it. But trust me, uh, courses only teaches you the tips and the strategies. The psychological impact of, your mind to do trading is something which needs to be developed over the period of a time, and it does take time. I'm not saying that I'll develop it in one day, but it does take time. Even I this time to develop that psychology and understand the market behavior. And it's very important, to understand the market behavior, which I'll pass now, which I'll pass this to my friends to the trader in the trading world. And now you might be questioning, within last 1 year, how can I learn so much that I'm ready to pass my knowledge to the others? Like I said, I belong to a professional industry, and it does that the psychological impact of, whether you see the issues and the challenges in a different way has helped me to overcome this, and I've reached the stage where, uh, I'm into cost to cost, I would say, if you ask me the answer. I have gone through the phase where I've incurred losses, uh, big losses, but I've reached to a stage where I have, recovered the losses and now I've started making profit. Now, I thought of sharing those strategies, not a strategy, I don't have any kind of a setup. I don't have any kind of strategies which I'm going to sell or promote. It's just that I've learned what I've seen, what I've observed in this market, and it's a very unique way of doing that. You can see a very quick small demo of what I've done in the analysis on a daily basis in the chart. This is a small demo, so I really know what would be the top and how far market can go. So that is a small demo which I would be sharing to this world. Uh, Not in the early stage of your career, but yes, the day I believe you have reached to a stage where you understand all the nitty-gritties of the market. And these are very simple and powerful, techniques. And overall, if you look into this trading world, all that really matters is your psychology. Psychology is something which needs to be developed, and people should concentrate only on psychology first, rather than learning, trading, rather than learning strategies, rather than, learning, any kind of I mean, any kind of a setup. If you have developed a trading psychology, setup is something which you can learn in one day. Setup is something you can learn in, a couple of days. So the whole sole purpose of me developing this channel, launching this channel on YouTube platform is to help those retail traders, those novice traders, those new traders to learn. And trust me, it's very, very simple to make money in the market if you follow the proper risk management. Why I'm saying this, because if you get into this industry and if you don't know how to manage your risk, if you're not managing your risk, you'll give your money to the market and get out. And ask yourself, do you really want it? The answer is no, right? We all have to make money. So you need to follow all the professional approach. You need to follow all the approach within a very disciplined manner to achieve a success. And trust me, discipline is something which can only get you success in this industry, along with psychology and all. The setup, calls from tips and calls from anyone will not help you to become a successful trader. It is something which you have to develop by yourself, and that is discipline in a psychology. I am not saying that I'm a pro trader. I know each and every move of the market. No, I cannot. It's very early. I'm into a very early stage of my life, but yes, I've reached that level that I can help you out, develop that psychology. There are few, setups, which I have developed, but again, like I said, I really don't follow those setups because you heard me right. I don't follow any setup. It's just that I follow the certain things which I'll teach you, and it would be a free of cost. I'm not charging anything. By God grace, I have a money, and I'm happy with what I earn. It's just that I just want to pass my knowledge to the world, because in India, it's very important that people, should come above the poverty line. And it would be a kind of a minimal help, effort from me if I can help even a one person to achieve that in my life. So with this uh, intention, I thought of launching my YouTube channel. My channel's name would be Novice Stoploss. And again, for the compliance reason, I am not in the camera, and I won't come on the camera at all throughout this trading journey. Uh, but yes, I'm ready to share my knowledge to this world. And there are ways and there are plans, which I'll do that because I really want to give, the knowledge what I have earned. And trust me, these knowledge are very unique. You can see a small demo in the screen itself. What I expected in the first attempt, what I expected in the second attempt, market behavior exactly stopped at that attempt. And if the third happened below the second, market would reach to that level. And the best part, what I'm going to tell you is that I never got trained from anyone in this world. I read few books. I understood the psychology and the behavior of the market, and basis which I've assessed, I've developed those, can say kind of a technique of assessing market, which I'll share it across. Again, these are very unique. You won't find it in on the any books. It's just that uh, I read charts. I'm a chart trader, I read charts, I read the price action, and I try to make it very simple. And trust me, it's not, uh, why I'm saying this because I see a lot of traders, using a lot of indicators in their chart and, trading. You see, I really don't have any indicator on my chart. I really don't have an indicator on my chart. And while trading, I really don't use any indicator on the chart. But yes, going through, the books, one of my favorite, you can say I don't using it sometime is the pivot, but price action and the chart are the only thing which I do. So without wasting time, like I said, uh, I'm eyeing people to share my knowledge, the new traders who are here to learn, and it would be a free of cost. I would plan it how I do it, and I would disclose it to my next video. But for the next 1 week, I would be sharing my live recording to the a live recording video so that you can see what exactly I do, how I do, and do you really think that I'm capable enough to give you what I have learned from this market? If yes, please join my channel, please subscribe it because I'm really going to give you something, which will help you to become a good trader. Like I said, I'm not the pro trader because a lot of the market is vast, and even if you learn the 1% of the market, you can be a very successful trader. And to achieve that 1%, I know the stages because I've gone through the stages, I've gone through that struggle, I've gone through that pain in the trading. Like I said, and I've overcome that. So my learning curve, because of my background, it has been very short and will be very short, and that's what I want to pass it to, the my friend who are there to learn. So please, go ahead and subscribe my channel, like this video, and we together, we'll plan it out how we start, connecting the training session free of cost to all the new traders. And again, it would be on the basis the first come, first serve. So my first 100 traders, my first 400 subscription will get the, the training, and and trust me, you know, I would love to have those 100 traders view on my training. Again, I'm not launching any training. I have not designed anything, I don't have any workbook. It's just that the setup, the mindset, and the psychology which I'm going to teach you, try applying that in your market and comment in the section, of the YouTube channel because I would be posting few YouTube channel, videos coming in coming days, and I'll try to be very consistent on it because I really want people to learn. Uh, and that's all need from you guys to just to subscribe my channel, like my videos. That's all, and I don't need anything from you all. And also let me know whether you want this channel to be in English or in Hindi or mix of those. So with that, I'll try to close this video, and will like I said, I will start sharing it from the live video recordings next week onwards. Till then, the video, watch it twice, and trust me, it would be a good journey uh, with me because I really don't want people to go through that phase which I have gone through in this training, because not a lot of people can afford to have a loss. I had that guts to, lose some amount of money which I've lost and learned, but I don't really don't want people to go through that. But again, learning is loss is a part of your training. So you can say it's the first stage of your trading career. And like I said, it's the first stage. The second stage will come to cost, and third stage you'll start making money. And trust me, and throughout my life, would not be launching any kind of course and charging people for that, because I just want to live a good life and just want to lead a good life. That's all my aim is. So with this, I'll close this video, and thanks all, and thanks for watching these videos. Thank you.